Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to do the perfect poached egg. It's not posh, it's poached. So let's start to cook. So I'm gonna show you how to do the perfect poached egg. In my opinion, this is not necessarily the best way to do it. I'm not saying it's the best way, I'm just saying it's the best way how I do it. Before you put the egg in the water, I always put it in a sieve. So like that I get rid of, if the eggs are not very fresh, I'm gonna get rid of all the egg white. In this case the egg is very fresh, so there's no need for that. I always put it in a bowl, just in case, maybe the egg is old or maybe it's not good, so it always needs to be to put it in a separate bowl. I got here a pot of water boiling. I add already 50 milliliters of vinegar. You can use any kind of vinegar you like. You don't need the water to boil, you need it just to simmer, so we're gonna put the heat down. Now we're gonna create a vortex. It does help a lot when you do poached eggs. And we put the egg slowly and nicely. You can see how nicely it coagulates. That's because, how I said earlier, the eggs are very fresh, but the vinegar from the water helps a lot as well. And definitely you're gonna have a perfect poached egg. We will leave it for 3 minutes. If you don't have a timer or you can't appreciate 3 minutes, put your microwave on 3 minutes, and when it beeps, your egg is ready. After 3 minutes, check your egg. It seems to be perfect. I got here a bowl with cold water and I'm gonna put the egg in. Now a lot of you will say you don't like the eggs to be cold when you serve them. That's not a problem. I'm gonna show you how to heat up your poached egg. I got here some hot boiling water. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Take the egg from the ice cold water and we transfer it in the hot water. You leave it for 1 minute. You don't start cooking again, just to reheat. I put here on the side some absorbent paper, absorbent towel. I'm gonna take the egg, because we don't want it to be watery, and we're gonna put it on the kitchen towel. And we leave it on the side for 2 minutes. Now we're gonna do the plating. I toast a slice of bread. We got it here. I'm gonna put some ham on it. It doesn't need any butter, or I don't prefer it. I don't like it with Hollandaise sauce, it's too heavy. I'm gonna just put some ham. We got here an avocado. Which we're gonna open. I guess everybody knows how to deal with an avocado. Take out the stone. Slice it nicely. And we scoop it out. We put that on top. And our poached egg. Salt. And I like some fresh peppers. And this is our poached egg. This is my dish for today, guys. How you saw, it's very easy to do a poached egg. You only need to follow a few simple steps and you're gonna have the perfect poached egg. Thank you everybody for your support. Please subscribe here if you didn't, and I'll see you soon with new videos.